How to create a new user in Mac? It's a very simple process. To create a new user, you have to go to settings. You can go to settings from the dock like I have over here. Once you're here, you want to scroll down till you see users and groups. Click on users and groups, and here you can see all the users that I already have on this computer. Now, if you just want a guest user, here you can see we have guest user, it's currently turned off. I can click on I and then I can turn it on. For this, I will have to put in my password, click on unlock, and then your guest user will turn on. If you want to add an entirely new user, you can click on add user over here. You can type in the name of the user, let's say mymactalk2, because I already have a mymactalk profile over here. Put in your password, and then it is recommended that you put in a password hence as well. And then you can click on create user. So here you can see a new user has been added called mymactalk2. Now if I click on I over here, you can change the profile picture from right over here. You can have it be a memoji, an emoji, mammogram if you like. If you want to click photos, you can do that. If you want to take a picture right now, you can do that as well. So I'll just go to memoji. I'll, let's say, add this. I want the owl. Click on save, and now you've created a new user. So now you've changed the DP. You can also change the username from right over here, and you can also reset the password from here. One thing you need to note is admin accounts are always allowed to change the password or reset the password or delete the user without having to take permission from any other users. If you want this account to be an admin user, you can also turn it on right over here. After you're done, click on OK, and that's about it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Do drop a like, share and subscribe if it has been.